Okay, so here's a conclusion to sum up everything you've learned today and tie it up into a neat little package of main points that you can remember for later. So, what did we learn? By now, you should have gotten that the Big Six model is just a series of steps to make your research assignment easier to handle. Here are the main things to remember about the Big Six. Number one. Number one is all about the task. Here's where you really focus in on your question and what your assignment is. What are you trying to do? Are you making a poster, writing a paper, giving a presentation? These things will help you decide how to organize your information later. Also, how are you supposed to present that information? Are you giving information to someone about a topic? Or are you trying to persuade someone to do something or think a certain way? These questions will guide you to the right resources, which brings us to step two, where you're actually going to seek information. Here's where you decide what types of sources will be helpful. For example, if you're trying to convince people to recycle more, you'd want to look for resources on benefits of recycling programs, as well as negative consequences of not recycling. But if you're writing a paper on how the recycling process actually works, you'd need sources that explain what happens to those plastic bottles and old cardboard boxes at the recycling plants. So are you looking for the information just to give to someone else, or are you trying to convince someone of something? Step three, locate your sources. Here's where you actually find the information. This might mean looking at or checking out books in the library, or it might mean doing some research on the web through credible websites or online databases. Your friendly librarian can help you navigate these resources if you need it. Step four, use the information. Once you find the information, you use it. Read articles, watch video clips, and write down the important points that will help you. Just remember to give credit to all the information you use. Now, you need to put the information in an order that makes sense. Organize your information. If you're telling about someone's life, this could mean listing events in that person's life in the order they happened. The format is determined by the task. Do you need images with captions for a poster? Or are you writing in paragraph form? The task from step one determines how you will arrange and present your information. And last, at step six, and this might be the most important and most forgotten step, evaluate what you did. What do you think of your final product? What do you like and what could be better? And not only the product, how did the process go? This is even more important because you will surely go through this process again for future assignments and future classes. What went well? What do you want to change for next time? So, I hope all of the information and resources you received today were helpful and that you all feel happy and confident embarking on your research. Don't forget to visit your friendly librarian anytime you need help.